Hi friends, this is Grace. Welcome to our night show.
Hi friend, this is Audrey. Welcome to our live show. We are Olympic Group and we are the professional school air compressor and air dryer manufacturer located in Guangdong, China. Today, we will bring you guys to go around our factory.
Yes.
So Grace, we export the air compressor since from 2007.
Yes.
And we also attend our first exhibition, Canton Fair, in 2009.
Yes.
But we just have our Alibaba online shop too. And also we can OEM for interesting. For example, each month, how many units we produce. So today, we will go around our factory and answer all our friend questions one by one.
Yes, Audrey, you are right. Friends, we are the real factory. We are Olympic Group. We are the professional school air compressor manufacturer in Guangdong, China. And today, we will show our factory to you. And after that, my colleague will introduce. Yes.
So you can see our factory, it is very busy.
Yeah.
So here with a very long truck, it is loading the compressor and sent to the domestic market.
Yeah.
Every day we will have at least 2 trucks to deliver our air compressor.
Yes. After the Chinese New Year, actually in our factory, many agent, the local agent already wait urgently because they already get many orders from the factories. So as you can see, friend, now we are really big. So keep and watch our night show. Friends, not only you are the users, means you need to use the compressor, but also you want to sell our Chinese compressors. I think we are your best choice.
Yes, you're right. Bottom, you will find that with the follow button. So please follow our March. We will have a 4 live show with another 4 live shows in March with the different topics.
Sometimes will disturb us. So friends, hope you can understand us. And today we have also have a very busy for us. So I think Audrey, our night show will successful, right?
You're right.
And continue.
Okay.
I need to introduce our company. Our Olympic began the compressor business since 2007. And now we already have our own factory, and we also have different users all over the world. So friends, I also hope you can keep you can
keep on watching our live show, right, Grace?
Yes.
Yes, you're right. And just now, Grace mentioned our business is started from 2007. Now we are in our factory, and our factory area is about 25,000 square meter.
That's right.
And we have the worker about 100%.
That's right.
Later we will go to the workshop one by one. And we will show you the detail how we produce the air compressor.
Yes.
Okay.
And now we also have several series school air compressor in our factory.
For example,
yes, the most popular range is the PMVST series, and the normal type. Maybe in our overseas market, this series also very popular. Means the belt-driven and the direct-driven series. And after that, we also have the 2-stage school air compressor. And we also have the 4-in-1 type school air compressor, not just for A bar. We also have the 16 bar. This 16 bar is special for the laser cutting machines. So friends, please keep on watching our night show and you can know more information about our factory and our products.
Of course. And also you can get our catalog.
Yeah.
In the top bottom, you can get the catalog. Or if you have any comments or want to chat with us,
Yes.
also can talk with our college at once.
Yes.
We will 24 hours stand by before the computer and answer your question.
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Yes, let's
go.
go.
And we introduce the workshop one by one.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you will see that in my left side, this is the warehouse. Actually, we stock a lot of spare parts, and we also will share to you how we choose our spare part supplier. So we produce the school air compressor. Just now, Grace already mentioned we have 5 series. The first one is the fixed-speed school air compressor in belt-driven and direct-driven. And the second is the VSD permanent magnet school air compressor. Number 3 is the 2-stage school air compressor. And number 4 is the 4-in-1 type. And number 5 is the 16-bar school air compressor, special design for the laser cutting machine. And the power range is from 5.5 kilowatt to 315 kilowatt.
Yes, friends, as you can see, now our factory, our products, our compressor already need to put outside our warehouse. So, and these compressors are for our local market, and they just waiting for the delivery, because now we also need to wait the truck to come to our factories.
You're right, because actually this is the factory. It is not so big.
Yeah.
So at the end of this year, we will move to a new factory. The new factory, the area, I think will be 5 times bigger than now. So at that time, we warmly welcome all our friends to visit our new factory. So you can see all these machines are finished, are complete, and we stock and we put
Factory for us.
Yes, and now on my left side is the testing room. We will test the air compressor before delivering. So in this area, we can test 22 air compressor at the same time.
And later, I will show you in this testing room.
Okay, so left side is our testing room. And on my right side, here is the warehouse for the complete machine. So our people will in here to paint the logo and clean the compressor and package the compressor. We are the OEM school air compressor factory in China. So we are welcomed and we also offer the OEM service to all our distributor and dealer. As you can see,
Hi, friends. Hi, friends.
Yes,
Audrey,
welcome, Grace.
we need to say hello to our friends again.
Okay.
Hi, friends. This is Grace. Welcome to our night show.
Hi, friend. This is Audrey. Yes. Now we are in the factory.
Yes.
Yes. And explore our school air compressor factory for all our Alibaba friends.
Yes, friends. As you can see, we are the real factory, and you can see that beside Audrey and me, they are the cabinet, and the cabinet also made in our factory. Okay,
Yes.
keep on walking.
Yes. And later we will show the metal sheet workshop.
Yeah.
And show you how we make the cabinet.
Yes. I think, friends, you will surprise. The cabinet made by yourself. And Audrey, we need to explain how we control our cabinet quality.
Sure. So we go inside the workshop.
Yes, move faster, please.
Move faster. Okay.
Yes, friends, this is our cabinet for different models. And we also have different color tablets. And this side is our working shop. And we have several assembly line in our working shop. Different kilowatt range will be produced in different assembly line. And this one is our laser cutting machine. And this laser cutting machine is 1,500 kilowatts. And now we are using our 16 bar school air compressor for this laser cutting machine. And for our own experience, our 16 bar school air compressor is wonderful for our 1,500 kilowatt laser cutting machines. And friends, you also can see it. And our laser cutting machine is for the metal. And the thickness is about 6 mm to 10 mm. Okay, continue.
Yes, friend. Now I'm in front of our sheet metal workshop. So let's go inside and have a look how we make a plate to a cabinet. Okay, let's come and have a look. So each month we can produce 4,000 to 5,000 sets for the cabinet. So the plate we will ready in here. And then first one we will make the plate to our CNC punching machine to make the hole. Okay, so this is the after punching. You will see that this is to make the dot. So here there are many holes for the hot air to go out and for the fresh air to come in. The hole it is very smooth. This also finished for the punching. Yes, the metal.
Yes, Audrey. And we need to introduce what machines we need to use for our cabinet.
Yes, okay, no problem. So in this area, we have 2 units CNC punching machine.
Yes, 2 units CNC
Punching machine.
machine.
And that one is the laser cutting machine. Actually, same as the outside that one.
Yeah.
Laser cutting machine 1 unit. And we also have a 5 unit bending machine.
Yes.
To make the cabinet. 5 unit bending machine. And our worker in here, they are welding the cabinet to weld each part together.
Yes. So friends, you also can calculate for the cabinet factory. Every month we just can deliver about 5,000 units and need to use 2 unit laser cutting machine in 1,500 kilowatts. And also we need to with 5 unit the bending machine.
Yes.
And as you can see, every work tray need to have a work for it. So friends, hope you also can understand why sometimes we cannot deliver in time, because the market is increased and we also need to deliver everything. Very busy.
Actually, our worker is sometimes it's the 2 team workers work per day. And if for the busy day, we will 24 hours to work. 3 team workers to work per day.
That's right. Yeah. And Audrey, maybe we go to over there.
Okay. So after we make the cabinet in here, we will move to this place for oven for print the color.
Yes, friends. Now you can see this one already welding. Already welded and wait for printing.
Yes. So this one is after polish. And now we will go to this area for spray the color.
Yes, friends. The company color also making our factories. And because now our China government control the environmental strictly, so last year in 2019 we deliver the compressor slowly, but now we already faster than before. So in my idea, it's very good for us.
Just now, our worker is polish the cabinet before we go to spring, before we go to paint the color. So now our worker will hang the cabinet to this automatic processing line for painting. We use the color is the outdoor paint powder. This one it is very durable and colorful. So that means although you use the air compressor for a long time, it still can keep very fresh. It keep new.
Yes. Just now, Audrey already said our cabinet painted and sprayed by our own machines. And now, maybe you see why the working is stopping, because now we need to change another color. That's why if our customer need to change their own color, we need to have the minimum order quality. So friends, hope you can understand now after we introduce our spraying machines.
Yes.
And Audrey, it's better for us to tell our customer the advantage of our cabinet.
Yes, you're right. Just now you can see, because we produce our cabinet by ourselves, so we can control our quality. This is the first one. And the number one, we use all the metal. It is very thick.
Yes.
It is at least 1.2 mm for the plate.
Yes.
So our cabinet, it is very strong.
Yes.
And the number three, we use the powder. The paint powder is the outdoor powder. So this one, it is very durable. Although you use the air compressor for a long time, maybe 8 years, 10 years, it keeps very new.
Yes, friends. Actually, for my customer, they also very satisfied for our cabinet.
Yes.
It is beautiful and strong. So now, hope you also can know why we can control the cabinet quality.
Yes. And for this system, we invest a lot of money to make this processing line.
Okay.
So for this one, our worker will hang our spare part in this automatic production line.
Yes.
So the cabinets need to cleaning. So you can see in here, they will cleaning the cabinets, and then it will over pickling. After that, it's drying, and then it's fry the color powder. The last is the paint it. Okay, so many processing, many steps.
Yes. Okay. Audrey, I think we need to finish our introduce in the area. We need to move faster.
Okay, move faster.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
So now you will see that our staff is polish the cabinet.
Yes, this one is for welding the cabinet. When our worker find the welding is not good, now he need to repair it and make it move smoothly. And friends, please notice that although our cabinet made by ourselves, but if we need to change the color, it's very difficult and not easy for the worker to change it. So we have the MOQ if you need to change the color.
Yes. Light. Let's come and have a look, Grace.
Okay.
So each month we also can produce about 4,000 units to 5,000 units per time, per month. And also the power range is from 5.5 kilowatt to 315 kilowatt. Yeah. So you will see that today our order is the blue color.
Yeah. And friends, now in our factory, the main color for the capillary, we use the blue color.
Just now we mentioned we are welcome OEM, and we also have our cabinet production line, so we can paint other color for you.
Yes.
For example, if you choose our standard color, blue, orange, yellow, and the white color, one unit, no MOQ, one unit is welcome. But if you want to change color, we require is the 10 units for the MOQ.
Yes. Okay, camera, show this assembly line. And this assembly line is for our fixed speed series, fixed speed range. And maybe come. And sorry, just now I need to say this assembly is very popular in the market because it can save the energy, means help the customer to save money. And in our experience, mainly in our China market, if the new order, they will order and choose the PMVSD school air compressor first.
Yes, you're right.
So, Audrey, we need to try our best and introduce our PMVSD compressor to our overseas market, because I found that in our orders, still more than 60% order quality in the fixed speed compressors. Maybe just less than 40% in the VSD or the PMVSD compressors. So we should try our best and help our customers to save more money.
Yes, you're right. Actually, now for the PMVSD school air compressor, the price it is very nearly for the fixed speed compressor.
Yes.
So why not choose the VSD and try to save the electricity for your factory?
Yes.
Right?
Yeah.
So talk with us or chat with us at once. Make a comment or talk with our salespeople.
Yeah.
We will give you a best solution for your factory.
That's right.
And of course, if you are selling the air compressor now, also try to sell the VSD school air compressor, because quality is very stable and the price is very good.
Yes, of course, we also can share our experience for you to how to sell the VSD compressor for the users, for the factory, and of course, different factories.
Yes. So in this area, you will see that we have about 50 workers in this area. How we control our quality? Of course, we will start from our worker. For our worker, they are all the experienced people. They work for our factory. Most of them at least have the 3 to 4 years to work in our factory. So they are very experienced. And also, each compressor, we will have a car. Each compressor will have a car. This car we will show who is the people in charge of this part. After they finish that, they will charge their name, they will sign their name. So we can follow who is in charge of this air compressor. Ensure each compressor will have the people to take care of it. So this production line, it is the permanent magnet VSD school air compressor. This model also is our popular model in the market.
Yes, totally. And it's better now we can summary how we can control the compressor quality here.
Oh, okay, no problem. So, in this area, in this workshop, we have 50 worker in here, and most of them they already work in our factory at least 3 to 4 years. So it is very experienced in how to assemble the air compressor.
Yes,
and also each air compressor we will have a part. This part we will have a processing how to assemble the air compressor, and after they assemble the air compressor, they need to sign their name so that we can know each air compressor who is in charge of it.
Yes.
To make sure its quality.
Yes, it is also easy for us to follow the warranty. And when we know the problem in the past, we know which position happened the problem. And the oil change, the main function is to install the oil for the compressor. And also, we need to install the air oil separator in the oil tank. But now the position already in opposite. So you can see this one is the oil tank. And now we already installed the air oil separator inside. And here it is the oil level indicator, and this one is for oil fueling. The oil fueling, when you need to add some oil, you loosen this oil fueling, and then you can add the oil. It is easy for you. So now this is the seal. And Audrey, it's better we'll show these things for our other college, because later we also will have the
introduce each series one by one for our sales lady, right?
Yes. And go over there.
Okay. So now we are under the busy season. So you will see that we have many orders need to arrange to produce. So every day we will have 2 team workers to work per day, and sometimes even 24 hours we need to work. So 3 team workers will work per day. Every team they need to work 8 hours. And as you see, this production line is for the two-stage school air compressor. The air end with 2 air ends, this is the 2-stage. The air end structure is upper and the down structure. So this production line is for the bigger kilowatt production line. So every day we need to produce about 200 units for the school air compressor. Every day we need to produce about 200 units for the school air compressor. So our worker, it is work very hard. Now we are installing the safety valve. And all the wire, we will have the protector, the plastic protector to protect the wire, the cable.
Yes, Frank. Just now you also can see different worker will have different work in our assembly line. So it is we will control the assembly line workers strictly. Then we can control our compressor's quality. And now this one is the compressor already finished the installing.
So you will see that here we will wall, the air compressor wall. This is our popular model for the 10 HP. 10 HP. VSD screw air compressor. So actually our cabinet it is very strong. Otherwise we cannot lay it four layer for the air compressor. So our cabinet is very strong, and this is also our popular model 10 HP screw air compressor. Now in March for this one we also have a special discount. Only USD 1,200. Only 1,200 US dollar for the 10 HP VSD screw air compressor. So if you are interested, talk with us right now or make comment. Of course, if you like our video, please give us the like or follow our Alibaba online shop. Okay, let's go and we continue to the testing room.
Yes, friends, this one is our testing room. Just now, Audrey said we can test 32 units in our testing room. And as you can see that one compressor will have one precision.
Okay, so here is our testing area. In the middle, this one is waiting testing. And for this two line, we can test at least 22 units air compressor at once and ensure 2-hour testing before delivery. Now I am asking our worker to testing how to test the air compressor with the leakage problem or not. 试一下，对。Now our worker is using the bubble water to test the leakage. If the air compressor with the leakage problem, it will easy to find out the problem. So each air compressor, they will use the bubble water to test if the air compressor has the leakage problem or not.
Yes, Audrey, we also have another indicator for the leakage. As you can see, here it has the gauge, already has the pressure gauge. So if the compressor has the leakage, the pressure cannot higher than our working pressure. So we have two workers working for the testing and control the leakage. Okay. 师傅，你可以加油一下给我们看一下吗？加了吗？都加了。好，好。
Okay, now our worker is filling the oil, the lubrication oil. All the oil we use is with the good brand, good quality. We use the Shell lubrication oil. So our engineer will filling the oil and then move the machine in here for testing it. Okay, come and have a look. We are the workshop. Actually, inside it is too noisy because at the same time, 22 units screw air compressor is passing at the same time. So the noise is very noisy. But actually, our air compressor, we can make it very quiet if you use 1 unit or 2 units, because all the door we will have the soundproof enclosure.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes, we will show you in here. Come. Each door, we will have the soundproof enclosure in here. And our enclosure is very strong. Yeah, strong one. So it can absorb the noise for the air compressor.
Yes, the thickness is more than 10 mm.
Yes.
And
for the air hose, we also have the
this working shop is for one function is for the warehouse, another one is for the packing. And later Audrey will show to you how we packing before packing the compressors.
Yes, as you see, after the air compressor is finished passing, we will deliver the air compressor in here, and our worker will clean it very carefully, and then we will warp the plastic. After that, we will pack it with the plywood case.
Yes.
So although we ship it for a long distance, also not damage the air compressor.
Yes. And friends, we must clean all of our school compressor before delivery. And how to protect our compressor when delivered. The first one, we use the
plastic.
The plastic film to package. And after that, we also use the carton box. And if we deliver in our China market, we just do like this. And in our experience, it's okay for the truck deliver like this package. And for our overseas deliver, how we do that, Audrey?
Yes, usually for the overseas delivering, we also will pack with the plywood case.
Yes,
to pack one more plywood case so it can protect our air compressor. But of course, now we have a lot of our distributor. In order to save the space for the container, we will package like that.
Yes.
So to save the space to load more units into the container.
Oh yes, share my so maybe 10 years before, I cannot do like this. For 120 feet container, I just press in the one reason
because the cabinet very strong.
That's right.
Right. Okay. And also, if we order the 20 feet container, we'll have the discount price.
Yes, as you said, now we have the March promotion.
Yes.
So big discount for friends. And for more information, you can make a comment and chat with us, and our professional sales will reply you at once. Of course, we will stand by every 24 hours and offer you the professional guide to order our school air compressors.
Yes, you're right. Okay, so we keep on walking. Okay, so as you see, these all our stock for the completed school air compressor. Normally, we will stock 100 HP, under the 100 HP. That means from 10 horsepower to the 100 horsepower, we will stock in our warehouse. Okay.
Okay, Audrey, because we already have so many units compressor in our warehouse, so it's better now for us to explain the deliver date for our new order for the overseas market.
Yes, many friends want to know.
Yes.
So how about the delivering?
Our own corner, the deliver date within 10 days is okay. And of course, and testing it. And if friends, you need to use your own color, or you need to show your own brand in a compressor, also 10 days is okay.
Yes, it need to be 380 volt, 50 hertz, and 3-phase.
Yes.
And if other voltage, for example, the 60 hertz, 220 or 440, we need to wait about 1 month or more than 1 month.
Yes, around 40 days. Because friends, just now you also can see our factory. We don't make the motor in our factory by ourselves. We have our motor supplier, and now maybe you also see the situation. The material price is increasing crazy. So now for our supply for the motor, the supplier for the motor also crazy because of the materials
and also longer delivering time than before.
Yes.
But don't worry, just check with us what air compressor, how many kilowatts you are interested in.
Yeah.
Just check with us and our professional sales team will reply to you at once.
Yes. Okay.
Yes. And in this room, it is our 3D logo painting machine.
Yes.
So all our logos, we not stick on it. We use the 3D painting machine to paint it. So our logo, it is very 3D and colorful, and it looks very beautiful.
Okay, let's go. Because now no work in the 3D logo working shop, so we cannot enter in it. Okay, Audrey. We go to our spare part warehouse,
Yes,
right?
Yes, you're right. Okay, so please follow me to our spare part warehouse.
Okay, friends. You
Actually,
can see many yellow color, many yellow local market. The main color is for these two color, and of course, Audrey at this side we also have our white and gray color.
White and gray color, blue color, orange color, and yellow color. It's our standard color. If you want other color, no problem. We can do for you. Yes.
Yes, friends, as you see, we have a very strong standby full air compressor ability. And this one is
110 kilowatts. This one.
that's right. And it is in the 5-speed in direct driven.
We lay to.
Now we are going to our spare part working shop, a warehouse.
Now we are standing after maybe use.
Yes.
So they are worried about if I buy the air compressor from you, can you supply the spare part for me in the future or not?
Yes, friend. If you are my old friends, you will know that I will try my best to search our own parts for you. But now, as you can see, we already have our big spare part warehouse for our current order. So the spare part is no problem. And Audrey, it's better for us to introduce how we control the spare part quality.
Yes, you're right. Of course, we will choose our supplier, the spare parts supplier, very carefully.
Yes.
Actually, now in China, there are many factories to produce the spare part for the air compressor. So first, we just choose the top 3 in China to cooperate with them. Yes, top 3. And the second, before the spare part go into our workshop, we will have the QC college to check some and check its quality, it is okay or not. If pass our standard, we allow them to enter into our warehouse.
Yes.
And the number 3, each month, our after-sale service department, they will give us the
we good support for you. So don't hesitate it. Order from us soon. And now we have a very big discount in the March.
Yes. Okay. Let's go and have a look inside. But actually, Grace, I want to ask you, how about the spare part price we offer?
Yes. Maybe some friends from for the marketing and our spare price just about 30% to 40% as the
European or the American brand, right?
Yes.
So our price is very reasonable and cheap. Yes, it is very good price for the spare part.
That's right.
Let's continue to work inside to
Okay.
go around our spare part warehouse. So we will stock our spare part with the number, so our worker can find the spare part very easily. This area we stock the small part. For example, the oil level gauge, safety valve, one-way valve, oil seal, the MPV, and the controller, the small part. We will stock in that area. Okay, now you are in the area for the motor. Motor, usually, we have two kinds of the motor. One is the normal motor, another is the permanent magnet motor. So we have two levels, IP23 and IP54. So you will see that we stock a lot because we need to ensure every month we can produce 4,000 to 5,000 units for our school air compressor. So the motor power range is from 5.5 kilowatt to 315 kilowatt. Welcome to inquiry. And this area is for the fan. Now our standard voltage is 380 volt, 50 hertz, and 3-phase. We also can produce the air compressor in different voltage. For example, the 220 volt, 60 hertz, 3-phase, and 440 volt, 60 hertz, and 3-phase. Okay, and this area are the air end. The 2-stage air end, the 1-stage air end. The brand we cooperate all are the famous brand and the big brand in China to ensure our product quality. This magnet motor, this series is our popular series in China now. So for our orders, I think more than 17% we produce is the VSD type. And the cooler, we will keep the cooler in here. We stock a lot because now the metal price is rising very crazy in China now. So our boss, he is very smart, so he stock a lot for the cooler. So order from us right now because now our price still keep in the old price, but I don't know in the future we will increase our price or not. So inquiry and ask us more detail. Okay, so just now we go around our factory from the the sheet metal workshop, and then we go to the production workshop, and then we go to the warehouse for the complete machine. After that, we go to the testing room, and then we go to our spare part warehouse. As you see, now although our factory it is not so big, but at the end of this year, we will move to a bigger place and we will have a new workshop. At that time, welcome all our friends to visit us. Just now, we just start our live show maybe half hour before, and we loading the machine to the truck. Now it's already finished and it's ready to go. Okay, in this area, we also stock a lot of completed machine. This machine also will deliver very fast. Okay, yes, maybe some friend is newcomer, so I introduce ourselves again. Hi friends, this is Audrey. So today we will bring you guys to go around the factory. So I'm Audrey, and just now I'm with Grace. Later we'll have our sales team, Sherry, Evan, Emma, and Venus to introduce our school air compressor one by one. So if you are interested in our school air compressor, please make comments or talk with us at once. We will have a professional sales team to answer you directly. And for our series, we have the fixed-speed school air compressor, permanent VSD school air compressor, two-stage school air compressor, and also the 16 bar school air compressor. So now we go to our showroom. We go to our showroom and we will ask our sales lady to introduce our air compressor to you one by one. Okay? Okay. So the machine is ready in here. So next, Evan and Venus will introduce the 16 bar 4-in-1 school air compressor and also the
Two-stage.
Okay, so
Hello,
yes.
Hello, Audrey.
Welcome, Evan. So please continue to introduce our machine to all our friends. Okay?
Hello, friends. I'm Evan. And friends, for Audrey, let us to visit our factory view. And so today, me and Venus will introduce our in-one type school air compressor. And this one is our two-stage school air compressor. And Venus, maybe Venus still needs some time to prepare. So after visiting all our factory view, I think many friends want to know our factory machine. Why choose our factory? Why choose our compressor and our compressor features? So let me I hope after me and Venus introduction, and hope you can make an order from us immediately. Yes. And okay, camera, come here. Let me introduce our fixed-speed compressor first. In 2020, we push a new brand, Tornado Pro, to the overseas to the market. Although it's in a lower price, but it still have we still keep in a good quality. So still keep in a good quality. And after 5-year overseas marketing testing, we can ensure our Tornado Pro compressor in a stable warning situation and can provide our friends smooth and dry compressed air. And friends, please pay attention that now we are looking for the distributor and dealer all over the world. If you have any interest, so please send a comment to us. And as well, we all have a good products, good sales, and after sales service. So we need the local dealer to introduce our good products to your local customer. So do not hesitate. Please send a comment to us, and our college in the background will reply you and give you more details such as catalog and the price list. So it's very good. For our now, let's start our introduction about our 7.5 direct-driven school air compressor. At first time, I
You can follow our Alibaba online shop, and also every day we will have the new product promotion, and we have a very big discount in the online show. And as well, we will share something about our compressor, and we have the fans. We have the fans about the video, about our factory loading, about our new product promotion, and about our new technology, delivery situation, and the most important is the customer reply about all is a video. So you can keep on follow us and like us and be our friends. We can help you how to save energy, and how to save energy, and how to save money about selling the school air compressor. About the fixed compressor, Venus, can you tell us the power range, share the power range and the pressure range of our direct driven compressor?
Oh well, sorry friends, our machine has some more, so now I'm going to share you guys the power range and the pressure. Our power range is from 10 HP to 335 HP. .kilowatt to 250 kilowatt. 7, 8, 10, 12.5 pressure. So many choice for you. You can choose one that can suit your needs.
Yes, and after seeing the except for the wide range of the power and the pressure, we also have many features. Why?
Yes,
Yeah.
you're right.
Yes, firstly, we need to introduce is the AM. So why we need to introduce our AM first, Venus?
Oh well, yes. Even you are right. Because the air is the most important part in our compressor, just as our heart in human body.
Yes, you're right. So how about we open the compressor door first?
Yeah.
Or maybe we need to see on behind. Here. Exactly the air pump, the air end. Also, we call it the air pump. Here, you can check it here. Because the normal air will be compressed in the air end, so we need. So it's very important. We need to get the compressed air from this air end. This AM to ensure the good quality. Now we are using SAP 5 to 6 voltage shape to the of the two screw inside. So it can decrease the it can lower the screw speed, the running speed, and the motor speed. It can decrease the risk of the overheat problem. And also, we are adopting the very good material of the screw, so it can ensure longer service life of the air end and the whole machine.
Well, besides the air end, the motor is also the one of most important parts in our compressor. The defense motor level is IP54, and the motor insulation level is F grade. So it's more durable and reliable. It can use in the high temperature environment. Please also notice that the copper core in our compressor, not the aluminum, so we can have a longer service life.
Yes, as well. Now we are using, as we said before. Now this one is the direct driven, means 1-to-1 transmission.
Well, even we also have the belt driven type. So what difference?
the bell driven is use the bell to drive the motor and the AM. So it will have 1 to 2% energy loss. But after using our direct driven, you can see here the connection between the motor and the AM. The ring, the red one, the red ring is the coupling. So it means the power, the motor speed is same as the AM speed. It's same. So is this. That means no energy loss. And it's 100% transmission.
Wow, that's great. Just as Ethan says, our Tornado Pro compressor is not only in high quality, but also reliable. So no more hesitation. Please contact us and add us. Well, Ethan, would you like to share us about the spare parts about our compressor?
Yes, no problem. Now we are using the Supernian's consumable part, such as the air filter, oil filter, and the air oil separator. Maybe I need to open this door to show our friends. Yeah, you can see here. This one is our air filter. This one is our air filter. Heavy duty air filter. We are using the heavy duty air filter. Ensure the good quality of the air intake into the AM. And this one is the oil filter. This one is the oil filter, reliable oil filter. We need to ensure the good quality of air, good quality inside the oil inside the compressor. The oil filter can filter the oil impurity. Number 3, we are using the high efficiency air oil separator. Maybe you cannot see the air oil separator because it's inside the air tank. So we are using the high precision air oil separator to ensure the oil content from the compressed air is lower than 3 ppm. Also, compare with the American and the European brand. European brand, our spare part is 50% lower of them. So it is good to our distributor to do the maintenance job. So it's very suitable for our distributor and user. So, and friends, please pay attention that now we are looking for the distributor and dealer all over the world. We have good products, good sales, and after-sales service training. So we need the local dealer to introduce our good product to your local customer. So if you have any interest, please make a comment in below. Our college will inform you as soon as possible and give you the catalog price list, and so on. So please don't hesitate. Please order from us and get more information.
Well, just as Evan says, if you guys interested in our products, please follow us and ask for the catalog. We will be very glad to solve your problems. Well, thank you, Evan, for telling us so many things. Now I also have something to share with you guys. Our compressor has an intelligent microcomputer control system. It has remind, remove, record, and monitor function. You don't have to monitor the system all the time. When it is time to do the maintenance, the arms will ring. Also, our compressor has the function to give you the fault reason. The panel will tell you the fault reason, so you can solve the problem in time. Even so much for the features.
Yes.
How about the operation?
Maybe we need to turn around to this side so you can see the controller panel.
Of your pin is in the warm situation, you can put this button and the machine will stop right now. So it will not have some emergency happen. Also, let's have a look about the inside structure about our compressor. This is our storage tank. It is the automatically hold system. This is the pressure give and store.
Pressure gauge.
Yeah. Sorry, sorry for the wrong. Yeah, this is the pressure gauge. You see so many numbers here. When it reaches to the 1.6, it means that the pressure is too high, so you need to stop the machine. And you also can look at the parameters here to know about how your machine is operating and when it's time to stop it.
Yes, it's very automatic. Besides the very easy to operation, how about the noise? Because some of our piston customer, they say they are crazy about the noise when the operation. When they open their piston compressor, the whole workshop can know they are running. The machine is running. It's so noise. But after using our school air compressor, how can solve that?
Well, after using our compressor, you will not have this worry. Our compressor whole system have running in a silent operation. So each door will have the soundproofing enclosure. So
yeah, maybe you can see there.
Yeah, I mean this door. Yeah.
Operation noise from the motor and the AM. So it can lower the noise lower than 75 dBA. So it's very more than 10 mm you can see here.
One door can do all the.
For the noise level, the vibration is also it can reduce the vibration. So in order to see here, every machine because we are feel the normal air dust and the particle. So it can make sure the longer surface life for the AM. Can you show our friends that the power range and the pressure range again?
Yes, of course, even. Our Tornado Pro fixed speed direct drive compressor is from 20.5 kilowatts to 250 kilowatts. So many choices for you. You can choose one that can suit your needs. Attention again, please. You can follow us if you are interested in our product. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, let me summarize our direct features first. Number one, we are using the oversized AM, more durable and reliable, and we are using the advanced 5 to 6 volt. It can lower the motor speed, decrease high quality school material. So it can ensure we are using the high precision consumable part. The AM